Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So my name is Muhammad Fikri bin Hairulazmy, metric number 1210598. I'm from KSC1 and MSC2. So today I would like to present the video assignment Discrete Mathematics SKJ2053 about relation. Video assignment include three categories. First of all, I will explain about introduction. What is the relation, and I will explain about the definition. Next, moving on to the example. I will explain two example in a relation, and lastly the conclusion. Okay, first of all is relation. What is the relation? Okay, the relation is in mathematics define the relationship between two different set of information. If two sets are considered, the relation between them will be established if there is a connection between the element of two or more non-empty sets. Relations in mathematics. In math, relation is the relationship between two or more set values. Suppose X and Y are two sets are ordered pairs. Means there is a 2. And set X has relation with set Y, set X and set Y. Then the values set X are called domain, whereas the value of set Y are called range. For example, for order pairs, 1, 2, negative 3, 4, 5, 6, negative 7, 8, 9, and 2. So the first domain is negative 7, negative 3, 1, 5, and 9. And the range is 2, 4, 6, and 8. Cartesian product. Okay, so Cartesian product is an ordered pair of elements written as A, B is considered distinct from ordered pair BA unless of course A equal to B. So if X and Y are set, we let X cross Y denote the set of all ordered pair X, Y, where X subset of X and Y is subset of Y. We call X cross X Cartesian product of X and Y. So this is the simple example X cross Y. So the student cross subject XY. X is a subset of student and Y is a subset of subject. Relation and Cartesian product. Relation is a subset of the Cartesian product of two sets. Suppose there are two sets given by X and Y. Let X element of X, X element of set X, and Y element of set Y. Then the Cartesian product of X and Y is represented as X cross Y. Is given by the collection of all possible ordered pairs XY. In other words, the relation says that every input will produce one or more output. Okay, furthermore, for a binary relation, so for this relation, we have R. R is relation. It's element of A cross B. With the notation ARB to denote that AB is element of R. And ARB to denote that AB is not element of R. When AB belongs to R, A is said to be related to R. Moving on to the example. So the first example, the relation represented by the table below that shows one is this diameter at different age. So age, yes, which is X, the value is 5, 13, 20, 27, and 34. So what is X? X is the domain. And next, diameter in inch, Y, the value is 4, 9, 14, 19, and 24. So what is the diameter? Diameter is the range. Okay, so for the calculation, h multiplied to diameter equal to xy, where x is a subset of h and y is a subset for diameter. So for the set x cross y equal to 5, 5 4, 13 9, 20 14, 27 19, and then 34 and 20. This is for the mapping diagram. Okay, first of all is the age, years, x, which is the domain, and diameter is y is the range. So 5 corresponds to 4, 13 corresponds to 6, 20 corresponds to sorry, for 20 correspond to 14, 27 corresponds to 21, 4 corresponds to 20. Relation. So this is the relation that connect the between the domain and the range. So relation in which each element in the domain correspond to exactly one element in the range. The range is a function. Okay. To the second example. So the question is, let A be the student in the CS major. A, the set A, go to Alice, Bob, Claire, and Dan. Let B be the courses the department offers. So the set B is CS101, CS201, and CS202. So we specify relation R equal to A cross B as the set that lists all students A is element of set A enrolled in the class B. Okay, so for the relation, okay, so this is the domain and this is the range. So Alice, the CS101, Bob pair with CS201, Bob CS202, then CS01, then CS202. Okay, the diagram representing the relation. So we can present relation graphically. So this is the mapping diagram. So Alice connect to correspond to CS101, Bob correspond to CS201. Claire, there is no relation, so this is not a valid function. And Don correspond to CS201 and that correspond to CS202. Okay, so this is for the we can presentation in the table. Okay, at least CS101. So we mark here. Okay, Bob CS201. So we mark here. Claire, there is no relation, so we don't mark it. That CS1 and CS2. Put in our daily life. For the example such as the subject. Yeah. Okay. And then relation are commonly used in database design to ensure flexibility and simple access to data, which are always moving together with function and set. Thus, they support each other. That means function, set, and relation are related to each other. Okay. Okay. Special thanks to Dr. Azra Asma. The video we take the Azrul for the our lecturer and the website relation type definition example and presentation by Juice. Okay, okay, that's all from me. Thank you for watching.